Chigumire kugira taranga simwe when you've lost a child like Martha. Kuoka, there are very many things that we thank the God for. Taranga simwe. Kanisa, Barbara and the family of Arthur. The UPDF family. I think we have very good commanders here. Twabebaza okwija kutuhumuriza abaruga kanoni hagasimwe n'abantu mwene nkomuzeire. It's hard to talk about a child like Martha, but there are realities kwija kubanokura okareba ngo when we give birth, we give birth to the flesh. Then Hanga Aherezomuitio, the 23 years that Martha has lived, her Habatarkudistia, there are reasons to celebrate the 23 years. Martha was such a wonderful child that would bring joy in the heart of every father and mother. And when I received the news that she passed on, I imagined the pain that every parent was carrying when hearing that Martha has passed on. What comforted me is that I believe that Martha is in a very, very good place. And the description of Martha was love, joy, and a good spirit. And those are godly spirits. She personally had an attachment to my family, and akana okunda aberere banje lunga naberere abandi ba family sezindi. My daughter kuyabera muhikayenda ko kumurya ebitete bye n'ibingi omukazi wanje shaho zaine tiri kumanya yabawe yabera ibiza nyina yabera zigura mbere nawe yo mutetsi natandikira kugira taranga simwe umwirima bw'agatufata konkaranga daranga tayiniki kongera Barbara yibaro kutwere kibasho obwejo mukaya Arthur ukaguma muri muto ukakora ukoraberere bawawe bwarageremo abantu ba benshi babarabamu, but you fought a good fight. And honestly, Martha did not lack anything. She studied from good schools, and she was an example of a good upbringing, good values. And Barbara, you did that, and we have no doubt that you're still a wonderful person, that we need to do more. Martha yahendera, but you still have a lot of job. Aberera, but they are wonderful people, which you know from Hango to Kwendango Brahman. Okakorumur komuro jumnonga ahaboko kagire kanunye atuzere yakishika kwakira. So samu mande nyumukom obunyu bono bunde bamu. I know mande has been the foundation of that goodness. Akanyora Ndubara Junior, Ndubara High School, and everything that I see around in terms of goodness, I know mande has nurtured it. Yewale samu, yewale senzi, yewale bera. Ifo we itechitoro kumanya ahakeji ntumanya muri mutukunda mwe barogomana Barbara no kukwata nsake kikureba muturiyo ndikitera hamwe nyenda kwebaza abarara batata benji barigireho Uncle Eric Sharifu amuriyo mbigere rahanga simo munonga okutegesa okukundana. It is exceptionally convincing that we have a good foundation. Yebare Uncle Eric, yebare Sharif. Of course, is a blessing and an honor. Tinamur Momahango, Obukai Sava Tokunda. Barbara Koretar Rukunda, you wouldn't have these people here. Maybe young faith, hope, and life. The greatest is love. You have a gift that can make you do anything. And we are proud of that love that we can see here. Anoksi abaranzi bamawe mawaka twege soko okunda hanga yoko nagira kora ngashanga mawari murokore And Paratara Hanga, Martha is a hard pill to swallow. Conquer hunger, Ainama, Kandar Hanga Sin. Uncle Edward and your team, Numeva Rabaranzik, Twelawazir Barundi, Hanga Sin. Ninyawaza, Timo Yargakanonium, Pekongoka, Yawaza, Umbufu, Ninyawaza, group ya Uncle Dick, na Uncle Frank, Abargarium Bogo, and Jure, Charite, and Gladys, Numeva, Kufuza, Hanga Simon, Navan Tuvon. Bueno Murielio, Ingi, Wait Martha, I believe you are an angel and a gift. And may God make your soul rest in peace till we meet again. Thank you so much.
Atawishe mwenu Robert Elitwera itutulishaha humuriza Barbara tutuyabarana murumwana Barbara no manya abatawisha habazamwisha bakorative nawo kukunda Barbara no manya kutwara no manya kutwara umwana no manya kwatakisa kutwire ahagati y'abararana na bindi murari ijo tubere turi mushemero kwa Martha na graduating twayerundana twahazasi twahente twashemerwa umwana yatereza degree ijo Barbara wanterera oti omwana ni namwaza gushaka masters itineza kuchikora mbere namutungiye course in Ireland ni mwana wa ambassador of Ireland, so she was supposed to go September. Barbara knows, but with Brahma and Walkumani, Barbara, I know you are Ireland. It's a just a hope of one cousin. Let bygone be bygone. Ogumana atakusha kurugo mutuma ko hari nyaramu harme. Already you push things which are still pending. Berante Reye that says Mzukshwedega Omana Baba. We are supposed to go there yesterday. Banga Brangu, Mshaksha Lakonana, Shalahat. Those are the people, those are my hobbies. I was very happy I said that I'm going to amalgamate with Mkonana. Where is Mkonana? I'm happy to see you. I've seen Rosette Changu, she was my teacher. Wakana tere muruji, akari tayukipa waitu, na fandika. So, in short, Barbara inamu ogume, tukuzaba abana, abarana na bishimone. Yabare Aida, kubuchiruhu, yabare Eric, rahanga hirize mwate chumura chukulishi.
Thank you very much for setting a good example. Hati tazakuratsaho Beishenkuru Martha.